I'm just hanging out in Medford, having a good time. Well, actually, Ashland, because you know I love Ashland. We're at Cocorico. It's like a Mediterranean French restaurant, you know. I got some Burrata. Oh, I got a cocktail to start, of course. And I got the Burrata for an appetizer. And then I got the Carbonara for the main one. Oh, and the secret recipe on, you know, not on their menu is garlic bread. So I got that too. So anyway, just trying out a new place. Oh, and tomorrow I'm going to Firmtopia in Phoenix. I have 2 nights at a hotel. And Firmtopia is tomorrow. It's a festival of fermentations, you know, of foods, yummy, delicious foods. So I'm looking forward to that. And then, oh yes, and then there's a fermentation dinner tomorrow night that I'm gonna go to. Oh, and tomorrow, on Sunday, I have a queen tea at a tea place in Ashland to go to. So it's just a weekend for myself to just have fun and just enjoy myself. I've been working hard, new clients, and I'm just worn out. So I thought, well, I'm coming for the festival tomorrow, so I might as well come Friday night and have a good, delicious meal here. Check them out online; they look good. Hi. The rice pudding has hazelnuts. Not too sweet. Caramel sauce. Hazelnuts. Rice pudding. I'm gonna sleep good tonight. Delicious. Good food.